So another plant day at Lidl. We're looking a bit thin now, but we've still got this Sansevieria 399, also known as a snake plant, and it's very indestructible. So these are really good. Should get lots of these because they're pretty much indestructible, and that'd be great. Underneath we got the lavender from Thursday, 3-pack grosso. Plant these in full sun, lots of water, £3.99. Then this week we've got some more bedding plants, geraniums. These are £1.99. They're looking a bit ropey now, getting past their day. And then at the bottom we've got some small pots of lavender. And these are £4.99. The main event is inside, where we've got all the house plants. So we've got these plant pots, wooden style ceramic plant pots with house plants in. There's a variety of plants, Fiscus and Philondion. These are £5.99. They're looking good for house plants. Nice different variety. And also next to that, we've got a peace lily. This will add some elegance and charm in your home. These are £7.99. They look absolutely lovely. Really nice, really gorgeous. Nice selection. And then next door we got the mini orchids. These are £4.99. These will make a perfect gift. £4.99. And next door we've got the mini terrariums. These are £4.99. These look really, really good. Really do like these. I must get some of these before they sell out. And then under the bottom we've got the larger ones. Some more peace lily here. The larger terrariums. These are £14.99. There's various different plants and different ones, so pick and choose whichever you like. And on the other side, we've got house plants in a woven pot. So choose for a variety of these for your home. Different sorts, different varieties. These are £9.99. That's a good price for a nice big plant. The leaves on those, they look amazing. That's the woven plant pot. And we're not going to recognise those names. I'm not going to say them. So next door we've got some large house plants. These are £14.99, and there'll be more of these coming next week in next week's brochure. £14.99 for a big house plant. Underneath we've got celosia. These are now reduced from £2.99 to £1.99, also known as dragon's breath. We've got one of those in the garden. And then indoors we've got the air purifying plants, decorative, and these are going to reduce pollutants in your home. These are £3.99, and I'm not going to say what these names are because I haven't got a clue. The long names. Why do houseplants have long ridiculous names? That one's Ficus, and the one I do know is a spider plant. Spider plants are great for your bedroom or for your home, and they're pretty much indestructible. You give lots of pups out, lots of babies. So that's all the air purifying plants. That's a nice selection in store today. And then underneath we got some more of the peace lilies. These are £7.99, and these look so gorgeous, so lovely. So let me know in the comments what will you choose from any of these plants in Lidl today. Let me know, and please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. I'm going to have a look through these house plants, these air purifying plants, and see what I want to buy.